Hi, I'm Miss Lois, an artist and educator, and someone who knows what it's like to hand a pencil to a child and watch their whole world open up. This is drawing magic.
Have you ever watched a child draw? Really watched? That moment when a simple circle becomes a smiling sun, a dot becomes an eye, a curved line becomes a puppy's wagging tail. There's magic in that moment, and we're bringing it back with Drawing Magic, a step-by-step drawing instruction television program for kids. Think of it as Bob Ross for children. Personally trained by Monart founder and renowned art educator Mona Brooks, Lois Buchter, also known as Miss Lois, is deeply rooted in the step-by-step drawing methodology inspired by the cognitive research of Dr. Howard Gardner of Harvard University.
Here we are in this beautiful studio in Sacramento, California, where we're going to be shooting 13 episodes, the first season of Drawing Magic. It's a realistic step-by-step drawing program teaching them about the elements of shape. There are 5 elements of shape. Anything can be drawn using those 5 elements of shape. This is a science-backed program that Harvard studied of how our brain and hand can work together more cohesively. So it's problem solving, creativity, and imagination all wrapped up into one program.
Drawing Magic covers everything from animals and nature to history, geography, and even dinosaurs, all using a science-backed step-by-step process that helps increase focus and creativity while building confidence in young minds. Anything can be drawn with these shapes. But it's not just drawing. It's also brain training, focused concentration, and problem solving, because teaching the brain and hand to work together takes practice. There are so many benefits for children ages 5 to 8 in learning to draw, including developing fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, cognitive development and critical thinking skills by observing the world, communication by making connection between images and words, developing emotional intelligence with creativity, problem solving by exploring new possibilities and thinking about solutions, memory skills by learning to retain information more effectively, and of course, creativity and imagination that stimulates the brain and opens it to creative thinking and physical representations.
Our kids are growing up in a noisy digital world. Focus is fading. Arts are vanishing from schools. Drawing Magic is the answer to teaching realistic line drawing to children in their own quiet space to help them grow creatively while developing confidence and concentration skills that kids need.
There are so many ways to support Drawing Magic. You can choose from our many Drawing Magic perks. We're sure you'll find something for the young budding artist in your life at a price that's affordable. Or just like our project and share it with your friends and family or the teacher in your life.
Let's draw something beautiful together, support Drawing Magic, and help me bring back creativity one pencil stroke at a time.